Hello everyone, my name is Nikhilesh and here I'm going to explain about how to set up Hadoop on localhost system. Uh, you can find my videos in my YouTube channel where I have explained the setup of Hadoop on AWS cloud, the one which I am pointing right now. Along with that, it was just a single node setup, right? And if someone want to go for multi-node setup on EC2, so they require one name node and three data nodes. So total four EC2 instance. So here I have explained all this stuff. You can go through them. And if you want to install on localhost, so you require virtual host as well. So how to install virtual host and that to CentOS, I will explain in this video. So let's jump to the today's video where I will explain how to install Hadoop on localhost system. So I have prepared already one GitHub file, I would say, where I will explain all the stuff that are required in order to set up the Hadoop. So I have my Hadoop system currently running on the user Hadoop on my Ubuntu VirtualBox. So if I go to, let's say, clear the terminal, if I execute jps command, it will show the service which are currently running. So I can see all the service name node, data node, node manager, resource manager, and all. So what we will do a fresh setup. So for that, let's say create one user, let's say Hadoop one. Okay. So okay, the main thing over here is whenever someone create Hadoop one user or whatever user you create, there will be one directory and /home. So if we check, there will be no directory, right? So there are difference. There are two commands that are look similar, but it create a lot of impact on setup. So instead of user add, what we'll do add user. Just swap this value and write Hadoop one. Yep, here it say Hadoop one is already exist, but it is not there in /home, right? So first of all, let's delete this Hadoop one with the help of root. Yep, deleted. Now clear content and use add user Hadoop one. So make sure that you this terminal asks password, then only it is correct, right? Enter any password, repeat that again. Nothing, enter. Yeah. So now if I say, I can say Hadoop one user, and we will do all the setups in this directory only. So after that, what you need to do, you need to convert to root user. Root user in the sense it's kind of admin user, and if you see Hadoop has $sign at the end and root has symbol at the end. Just type command vi sudo. So basically we are giving this new user all the privilege. Go to a line where root is mentioned or the sudo is mentioned. Yeah, over here. So just copy this line, right click, copy, and over here paste. And the new user was Hadoop one. So it has allow member of group to sudo to execute any command. Now, in order to exit that, just press Control X. We want to save file, right? So it will be Control Y or just simple Y and then enter. So I will repeat that. So it's Control X and then Y, then enter. So it will save the content which are changed, right? Now let's verify that sudo hyphen Hadoop one. Yep. It's basically sudo su means switch user to Hadoop one. If we do pwd password current working directory /Hadoop one. Now go to the link which will be given in the description. We need to set up this. Copy this, copy, open vi tilt slash dot best. This is a file where we can mention the variables. Okay, so VI has two mode. One is a command mode, and as soon as you press small I, see, you can edit that. But if you want to go to some what do you say, command mode, just press this one, escape. So whatever you write, you will not be able to. So be sure that you are in the command mode, then only press enter. If you want to undo, like undo the change, escape U. Then go to last line. Yep, last line. Then press Shift A and then enter. Okay, press paste. So we have Hadoop 1 instead of slash Hadoop. I will explain what are the stuff mentioned over here. So basically these are the environment variable, right? So we don't need to mention slash home, Hadoop 1 and Hadoop. We will just mention Hadoop home and it will go to this directory. And the rest are the similar to Hadoop home. This has been mentioned in this file, Hadoop config. Now download, first command is download Hadoop from below URL. So let's say copy, paste, enter. It will download it. Meanwhile, we can see what are the next steps. So next step is download Java 8. Let's see if we can download it. Terminal, new terminal. And make sure you are in the one. I entered wrong password. Okay, it was right. Paste it over here. Then correct password. Okay, so it is already installed. That's the good stuff. Third command was to update few files. These are the configuration files which we need to update in order to make Hadoop run in our local host and whatever port which we mentioned over here. So let's wait for some time until this Hadoop 3.1.0 get completed. Yep, it's done. Okay, we will close this terminal and press ls to see list the content. We have one tar file, so we need to extract it. We can extract it with the help of tar-xvf and then Hadoop, press tab. So it will take the command, enter. X means extract, V means to show what the files are, and the F is the file. F stands for file, so it's XVF. We will wait till this extract get complete. It is taking time as usual. Next step is this files, and that's it. Meanwhile, okay, let's complete it. Then maybe we can do. let's jump to the straight. So extract got completed, right? So we will do clear and ls. Now, if you see the variable which I mentioned in bash rc, okay, we can see it from here. So it is home, Hadoop, and Hadoop, right? So if we see it is home Hadoop one, that's right. Over here, it was Hadoop one user. Over here, it was so Hadoop. So what we need to do, we need to create or we need to rename this Hadoop directory. This one Hadoop to make it to replace or to substitute this version. So it will be move Hadoop, then normal Hadoop. See, slash home Hadoop and Hadoop. If we okay, let's verify bash rc file, right? Slash home Hadoop one Hadoop. So it was right. Execute this command source bash rc. It will load all the unchanged value of bash rc file. Done. If I do ls dollar Hadoop underscore home with the variable which I mentioned in bash rc, see, it can show the content of slash Hadoop and this Hadoop one. Now let's say this one core site.xml inside etc Hadoop. Okay, let's close it, not required. Close terminal. So cd dollar Hadoop home etc Hadoop. Clear it, and here there is a file, right? Code site XML, open that, go to this line, just copy whatever content over here, and first of all delete that. Paste it over here. Okay. First press I in insert mode, paste it. So it pastes perfectly. Go to this public DNS. If you see over here, I have mentioned that for localhost, like local Hadoop setup, replace public DNS to localhost. We'll do that. So it will be host. Localhost and colon. Right. Just check it. Is localhost colon 9000. We will open the next file, which is HDFS. Site.xml, go to last line. If you press small character dd, it will delete the file. This is just a vi command, not required to remember actually. So copy this content, press I to insert mode, and then okay, here it is not mentioned public DNS, so we are good to go. Okay, here, sorry, last. It is Hadoop 1, if you remember. 1, 1. Press 1. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. right? It's Hadoop home, Hadoop one, Hadoop data, and all those stuff. Right. Now go to the next part, which is yarn site XML. Yarn site.xml. Go to the last line. Delete that. Copy all the content. Paste it. It has public DNS, so replace with localhost. Do we have? No, that's it. Map produce file again. Produce file. Go to last line. Delete one. Delete this. Paste. It has public DNS, so we will replace it with right. All under VQ for save and exit. Okay, next command is to update this file. So we updated the configuration file. Now we'll verify whether the configurations are right or not. Now we have edited most of the configuration files. So we'll go to the next step, which is update etc host. So let's go. Okay, before that, I require this 3 egg line to execute. Otherwise, you will get this connection refuse public key error. So copy this, go to over here, paste, just put enter, enter, enter. Go to again, copy the second one, paste it, done. And the last one, paste it again. If you need to verify, press SSH localhost. Yes. So you were able to log in to localhost, right? Now we will verify the same with execute this. I guess this fourth one is required only for this public DNS because localhost entry is always there. So let's verify that. Let's get etc host. See, localhost is always there. We don't need to verify. If you want to publish Hadoop on EC2 instance public DNS address, update this one. So let's say I will skip this part. I will execute this one. Copied, paste. Oh, Java home is not there. I got the error. Okay, so it is Hadoop en. Okay, let's verify Java home is set or not. Java home. No such file. Okay, let's verify that user AVM Java. Which one Java is there? Okay, it is i386. It depends actually. Let's go to last line and sorry, delete that. i386. Save it. /rc to load. Now, if I verify Java home, it will give content, right? Now, let's copy the full path. Echo Java. Echo will normally print, and ls is for list. So if I copy path, open Hadoop env.sh, search for Java home. Not this one, it will come with export. See, delete, and then paste that value over here. Yeah. Now we will execute that command again. Source name node one. Where is it? Let's copy it from here. Paste. Oh, it executed. With error, there is an error in whole site.xml file. Let's verify that. What is the unexpected character? Okay, let's do it again. I guess I have added some unexpected character, so it threw the error. Copy. Yeah, it is already copied. This is warning. It will show it successfully started. Yeah, see, it ran successfully. So let's go to next one. It is located in sbin directory. Start off. It will start all the services. These are just a warning message, so we can ignore that actually. We will wait till all the service gets start, because in order to execute Hadoop, we require 7 different services. First one is name node, which started on localhost. Second one, data node. There will be resource manager, node manager, and many more services. Total 7 services will be there. We will verify with the help of JPS command. I will mention this config file in the description section so that you can also copy on and try the setup. If you have any questions or you are facing any kind of errors while setting up Hadoop on a local system, just add comment. I will definitely try to help, and I can arrange a personal Zoom session with you. It's a free of cost actually. But for that, you need to subscribe this video or this channel. I will regularly put few technical videos, and yeah, that's it. See, this service is started on localhost. We will wait till this command executes. Yep, verified with the help of JPS. Or just exit, 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 open a new terminal. Go, open. Yes. Okay, there are some errors, I guess. Let's see whether there is some error or not. Name node started on localhost. Data node also started. With the help of this command, you can verify that whether Hadoop service started on your system or not. If here it should be 7, but I am getting only 1. So there might be some error. I will check it. I will execute the start all again. I guess last time it was setting up the system. That's why it was not showing up in JPS command. Let's wait for a few seconds. There will be one more service. Unable to load native Hadoop library for your platform. This is just a warning. As you can see, it is warned over here. All the service get started, so it should be inside the JPS command. We will verify that. Yep, done. JPS, still a single service. Why? Let's check who am I. Hadoop one. Oh, I guess I need to stop that service from there. Okay, so the error might be because of there is already service running up over in different user. We can stop with the help of stop all.sh. This might not be the case in your system if you try, because here I have a different user, and in front of you in the starting of the video I have created one sample user in order to show how we can execute this all command. So if there are no user and no service running, it will be very straightforward. Just copy paste and then run few command mentioned on the GitHub link, and that's it. Meanwhile, I will also open browser so that we can verify it from the browser as well. Here, if you go localhost, then it will show the full GUI, graphic user interface, in order to operate with the Hadoop file system and all. Let's wait for that. That's the end part. We'll verify that all the service stopped or not. With different user. I will start service again. The reason why I was checking there, because here I cannot see any error while starting the service. And even though it was not showing in JPS, so might be It was already running in the system, and that's why it was not showing in the JPS command, I would say. Let's wait for a few seconds. Meanwhile, we can type localhost colon 9870. This is the port actually. Press enter. Yeah, I can see graphic user interface of Hadoop. Name node is the master node, I would say, and the data nodes are like a slave. If you go to utilities, you can browse your Hadoop file system. There is option over there in utilities. Okay. They browse the file system over here. When all the file system will come over here, you can copy and you can download that file if you want to your local system. If you click on Hadoop overview, it will give overview like how many name node, data node, and all those details are there. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Hadoop normally takes up more RAM, so it's better to run it on 16 GB to have seamless experience. Okay, right. See, all the 7 services are there, and we can check from browser as well, localhost 9870. So this was the small overview of how to set up Hadoop on your local system. It was pretty straightforward, like copy the command and execute that. If you want to install on EC2 instance, like on the cloud, you can follow my channel, which is Nikos Tech. And there also I have explained how I have installed this Hadoop on AWS cloud. So that was it. If you face any error, just let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to help. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.